What are you? You are an emergent property. You are not fundamental to this existence, and neither am I. Rather, the physical you that you identify with is an expression. It's an emergent property from one source of all possibilities. The one source is infinite in its expressions, and it's apparent because of all the different varieties of beings and forms, both visible and invisible. You are not a source, you are source. And your purpose is to do and be whatever you are right now, in this moment. Every single moment is a drop of information sent back to source in order to know itself. So you're not a victim of your environment, you're not a victim of your circumstances, you're not bad or wrong, and you're certainly not sanctified or blessed. You are a participant in gathering information through experience via your particular individuation. And your individuation exists in order for Source to know itself through your perspective. And I say know itself through your perspective, but it's to know itself from every single perspective. And the perspectives are infinite. So to know itself, Source split itself and it severed itself from the whole. And when it did that, it identified with a single perspective. And this allowed Source to connect to this one perspective so deeply that it defied the whole. And it thought itself only as one person. We're all experiencing this one person, and we're all experiencing the same thing in infinite ways. So this thing you call you is experiencing circumstances and people in your life that would best facilitate the deepest knowledge and understanding of yourself and send that information back to Source. And so you, along with everyone else, is an information gatherer. We are all no thing and everything. We are nowhere and somewhere, nobody and anybody, no one and someone, in no time, all the time. Welcome home. Live deliberately. Namaste.